We are ready for part 2 of our module. So the second half of this one, we will be talking about goal setting and specifically SMART goals. And so I will show you here what SMART stands for. It's actually an acronym. Before we get into that, we have our warm-up question on the announcements. What show or movie do you most remember from your childhood? So I am a true millennial, so anything like early 90s is my jam. I would have to pick, for what I remember the most, I think probably Care Bears. It's like the original Care Bears cartoon show that was on TV. They also made some movies that were on TV as well. And so I was definitely into the Care Bears, had like the coloring books and the stickers and the actual little stuffed bears and all of that. So that's what I would have to say. Just a little check-in here about stamp. So if you have any questions at this point about any parts of the stamp assignment, please message me on Eagle. All right, getting into SMART goals. So you can see I have SMART in all capital letters because it is an acronym. Each of those letters stands for something in that word. So you have a video here to watch from Khan Academy that breaks down what exactly a SMART goal is. So you can go ahead and pause this video and then watch the video on Khan Academy. Now that you have seen an example of a SMART goal, you are going to write one of your own. So you're going to open up the worksheet that I have posted for you, and I'm going to open it up here. And you're going to right now fill out just the first page of this SMART goal worksheet. So you're going to focus on the SMART parts of your goal. So you're going to write down specific, what exactly are you going to accomplish, measurable, how will you know when you have reached this goal? Achievable. Is achieving this goal realistic with effort and commitment? Have you got the resources to achieve this goal? If not, how will you get them? Relevant. Why is this goal significant to your life? And timely. When will you achieve this goal? So take some time to fill out just this first page of your SMART goal worksheet. So after you have written your goal, we're now going to talk about, how we can really make sure that we are successful in achieving our goals that we have set. So this says how to supercharge our goals. We all encounter frustrations while trying to achieve our goals, but we can do a few things to increase our chances of success. Take out the SMART goal that you wrote, which you should have in front of you, and follow the steps below. Step number 1, visualize victory. Picture what it will look like when you are successful. Or picturing what it will look like when you are successful often gives you more motivation to work towards your goal. At the top of the second page, draw a picture of success or write something you will say when you reach your goal. If I achieve my goal, I will feel blank. You can fill that in. Then you are going to answer the next 2 prompts about achieving your goal. So if we look at the second page, somewhere here at the top or maybe at the bottom, somewhere off to the side, even if you want, that's where you're going to fill in your picture of what success will look like or something you will say when you achieve success. And then you're going to answer the next 2 prompts, which this goal is important because, and then the benefits of achieving this goal will be. So go ahead and do those 2 things right now. Step 2, name the obstacles. If you can name the obstacles, you can prepare for them. Even if there are unexpected obstacles that appear, you can start to develop a mindset that makes you feel strong in the face of these obstacles. Examples include distractions such as video games, your cell phone, and social media. Those things can definitely get in the way of you achieving your goal if you let them. Don't forget to call out your fixed mindset voice when you make a mistake or get frustrated. So you want to have a growth mindset where like you may have stumbled, you might have a challenge, but you can get better and you can grow. So here are some things that you can kind of say to yourself. I want to achieve my goal, but I know I will have to be strong when something happens. I want to achieve my goal, but I know blank will get in the way. So you're kind of calling out what these obstacles or difficulties might be ahead of time, so you're prepared for them when they come along. Now you're going to fill out the potential obstacles on your paper for your SMART goal. So here we've got our section about potential obstacles. You can just fill in this left side here and not worry about solutions quite yet. So go ahead and make a list of possible distractions or obstacles that might come along your way while you're trying to meet this goal. Step 3, make a plan to conquer the obstacles. Now you're going to go ahead and fill out the section on potential solutions. Examples include limiting or eliminating time spent on the distractions you identified. Include things that you will say to yourself when your fixed mindset voice appears, you make a mistake, or you get frustrated. To conquer the obstacle, I will blank. So you're having a plan in place. It also might be helpful to let people on your list know that you may be turning to them for help in reaching your goal so that they can support you and keep you accountable. Fill out the section, who are the people you will ask to help you? So here you've got your section of potential solutions and then some people that you might go to help you when you find some difficulties in meeting some of the parts of your goal. So that can be a friend, it could be a family member, it might be somebody who's in the same classes as you, it could be me, it could be another advisor or somebody else at the college. And we have made it to step 4, name your goal. By naming your goal, you can easily remind yourself to work toward that goal. Some examples of goal names are 3x30, best goal ever, or supercharge goal. At the bottom of the page, write the name for your goal and also fill out the section specific action steps. So here at the bottom, you have your action steps, and then somewhere on here as well, I would like you to write the name that you've come up with for this SMART goal. Finally, this is the last thing, and it's your assignment for this part of the lecture. I would like you to write a second SMART goal. So you're going to type this into the assignment part. If your first goal was for school, you might want to write a personal goal or vice versa. So, try to come up with maybe a goal for, each part of your life, school, work, something personal, and that way you kind of spread out what you're focusing on. So you're going to go ahead and you only have to fill out for the assignment, you only have to tell me the SMART part. So what you will accomplish, how you know you've reached it, if it's achievable, why it's relevant, and then when you will achieve it. So you're going to tell me these 5 things for your assignment for a second goal that you are going to write.